In this video, we are going to master the art of reported speech. We can narrate spoken words into two ways, direct and indirect speech. Direct speech repeats the exact words of speaker. Reported speech conveys the words spoken by the speaker in the past. Though we learn the rules that governing transformation of sentences from direct to reported speech from the lower classes, we are not able to stock hold in our mind. To keep it more precise in our mind, let me introduce finger techniques. We have 5 fingers in our hand. Each finger represents a purpose of transforming direct speech into reported speech. First, the thumb finger represents the type of sentence. The index finger represents the reporting verb. The middle finger represents the conjunction. The ring finger represents the change of person. The little finger represents the change of verb. Sometimes some people have 6 fingers in their hand. The 6th finger represents the change of words. Totally, there are 6 rules for reported speech. Let us learn one by one. First, the thumb finger represents the type of sentence that fulfills the first rule of reported speech. There are 4 types of sentence: statement, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Statement is a simple sentence having subject, verb, object, and ends with a symbol full stop. Example, I write a letter. Interrogative sentence is a question ending with the symbol question mark. There are 2 types of questions. One is WH questions and polar questions. Example, what do you write? Or do you write a letter? Thirdly, imperative sentence is a sentence that forms a command or request without a subject. Example, write a letter or please write a letter. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence expresses emotion with exclamatory marks. For example, yeah, I got a letter. Now close the fingers inwardly, which represents reporting verb and fulfills the second rule of reported speech. If the speech is statement, then the reporting verb is told. Sita said to Raj is written as Sita told Raj. If the speech is interrogative, then the reporting verb is asked and it is written as Sita asked Raj. If the speech is imperative, then reporting verb is ordered or commanded, requested or pleaded, and it is written as Sita ordered Raj. If the speech is exclamatory, the reporting verb is exclaimed and it is written as Sita exclaimed. Now you show your fist as if you are giving a punch, which represents the conjunction, fulfilling the third rule of reported speech. If the sentence is statement, then the conjunction is that and it is written as Sita told Raj that. If the sentence is interrogative, then the conjunction is WH for WH question and if for polar questions and it is written as Sita asked Raj what or Sita asked Raj if. If the sentence is imperative, then the conjunction is to and it is written as Sita ordered Raj to. If the sentence is exclamatory, then the conjunction is that and it is written as Sita exclaimed that. The fourth rule of reported speech is the change of person. To master it, we are going to learn 2 finger techniques. One is left hand rule representing subject I, we, you, and the other one is right hand rule representing object me, you, us. You make your left index finger pointing others. It is the left hand rule technique. I always refer the speaker and you refer the listener. Therefore, it has to be changed into he or she based on the speaker and the listener. We has to be changed into they. For example, I write a letter is reported as Sita told Raj that she. In the sentence, I refer the speaker Sita and therefore it is changed into she. Similarly, in the interrogative sentence, you refer the listener Raj and therefore it is changed into he and reported as Sita asked Raj what he. In the imperative sentence, there is no change of person. In exclamatory sentence, I refer the speaker Sita and therefore it is reported as Sita exclaimed that she. Now you make your right index finger pointing others. It is a right hand rule technique representing object me, you, us. Me refer the speaker and you refer the listener, and it has to be changed into him or her based on the speaker and the listener. Similarly, us referring the plural form has to be changed into them. For example, Sita said to Raj, I gave you a letter. You is in the object position and refer to the listener Raj, and therefore it is reported as him. Moreover, to refer the possessive form, my represent the speaker and your represent the listener, and it has to be changed into his or her based on the speaker and the listener. Similarly, the plural possessive form our has to be changed into their. There is an important note to keep in our mind, that is, sometimes the listener will be in the objective case of pronoun me. If the listener is me, then you has to be changed in the first person singular I, and your has to be changed into mine. For example, Sita said to me, you give a letter, and it is reported as Sita told me that I. You referring the listener me, which is in the objective case, you is changed into I. The fifth rule of reported speech is the change of verb. It's very simple. Verb has to be reported in the past form. For example, the statement she write a letter is reported as Sita told Raj that she wrote a letter. The verb write is changed into past tense wrote. Similarly, the interrogative sentence what do you write is reported as Sita asked Raj what he wrote. Sometimes in the given speech the verb might be in the past form. Then it has to be changed into past perfect tense. For example, in the exclamatory sentence, yeah, I got a letter is reported as Sita exclaimed that she had gotten a letter. The past tense verb got is changed into past perfect had gotten. In case of imperative sentence, we use conjunction to. Hence, there is no change of verb. For example, write a letter is reported as Sita ordered Raj to write a letter. An important note to be keep in our mind is if the reporting verb is in the present tense, then it has to be reported exactly as given in the speech. There is no change of verb for the present tense of reporting verb such as says. Finally, the sixth rule of reported speech is change of words to refer the change in time and place of the speech. Today is changed into that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, here, there, now, then, next, the following, the last, the previous, ago, before, so, thus, this, that, these, those, hence, thence. Now let us rewrite the given direct speech into indirect speech. The teacher said to the students, I shall take you to the museum tomorrow. In the given sentence, the speaker is the teacher, the listener, the students. The first rule of reported speech is to identifying the type of sentence. Here it is statement. Therefore, the reporting verb is told and the conjunction is that. The fourth rule of reported speech is to the change of person. As per left hand rule technique, in the given sentence, I refer the speaker the teacher and it is changed into she. As per right hand rule technique, you in the object position and it refer the listener students, that is in the plural form, therefore it is changed into them. The verb shall is changed into past tense would because the subject she will always agree with the verb will. Therefore, will is changed into would. Finally, the tomorrow is changed into the next day. Now the sentence is reported as the teacher told the students that she would take them to the museum the next day. Let us discuss more examples in the next video, Reported Speech Part 2. Thank you.